Flow Mobile Operator Review Usage Experience. Links to Flow's plans and services are in the description. Flow is a regional telecom provider operating in the Caribbean, offering mobile, broadband, and TV services. It's designed for locals, expats, and tourists needing reliable connectivity. Their mobile plans include prepaid and postpaid options, with unlimited calling, data rollover, and competitive international rates. Network coverage is strong in urban areas, but can be inconsistent in remote regions. Speeds vary depending on location, with LTE available in most places. Customer service has mixed reviews. Response times can be slow, but support is available via phone, chat, and physical stores. Flow's pricing is competitive compared to other regional operators, though some users report hidden fees. Roaming options exist, but aren't always the most cost-effective. The Flow mobile app allows users to check balances, pay bills, and manage plans, but it has occasional performance issues. If you're in the Caribbean and need solid coverage with flexible plans, Flow is worth considering, especially in major cities. However, if you're in a remote area, check coverage first. Let me know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to check the links below for more details.